Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Today I have got a vocabulary and pronunciation lesson for you. I'm going to be talking about to pronounce names of vegetables in English. In this video I will teach you different names of vegetable with their pictures and the pronunciation. I'm sure that it should help you improve both your vocabulary and your pronunciation. Now friends, let's we pronounce names of vegetables. But before taking these names, I will say you please, after watching this video, please comments and give your feedback. Again friends, I will say you watch here and like this video and give your comments also. Thank you. Number 1, radish, radish, radish. Swiss chard, Swiss chard. Ginger, ginger, ginger. Potato, potato, potato. Okra, okra, okra. Cauliflower, cauliflower, cauliflower. Yam, yam. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd, bottle gourd. Capsicum, capsicum, capsicum. Turnip, turnip. Brinjal, brinjal. Eggplant, eggplant, eggplant. Cabbage, cabbage. Coriander, coriander, coriander. Mint, mint, mint. Ash gourd, ash gourd, ash gourd. Lemon, lemon. Spring onion, spring onion. Bitter gourd, bitter gourd. Beans, beans. Onion, onion. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Beetroot, beetroot. Garlic, garlic. Sweet potato, sweet potato, sweet potato. Tomato, tomato, tomato.